Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. We're going to do the group help, live group help, absolutely free, coming this Saturday, March 27th, 2021 at 9 a.m. So read the description box below. We're doing this in Zoom. There's a link. All you have to do is click it. And I would suggest that you join about 10, 15 minutes early, so about 8:45. Go ahead and click the link, join the chat. It'll bring you right up in there, and then I'll admit all the people all at the same time. We can get started on that. What's great about group live help is that when you see other people's problems and you see how we solve that problem, how I answer that question, how I answer their materials, how they design this thing, you'll say, hey, that's just like my problem, and you'll learn a lot. And of course, I'll answer your questions too. So it's a great group help. It's free, and I'm going to do it Saturday morning, March 27th at 9 a.m., and it'll be about an hour, hour and a half, depending on the time I have on Saturday morning. Realize that I'm pretty busy, and I get a lot of comments about how hard I work, and it just amazes people. I can do all these things. Do you guys remember Roy Underhill? Roy Underhill. He was the host of Woodwright's Shop, the Woodwright Shop on PBS. He's from North Carolina. That's where that started. UNC. It was just a small little program at first, only aired locally, and then it went national on PBS. What a great guy. This guy would work much harder than me. He would do, in a 20-minute segment on PBS, he would have that handsaw and cutting wood, and he's working up such a sweat, and he's all out of breath, still talking to you about how to do this, how to create this antique furniture, whatever it was. It was so many projects. If you never saw Roy Underhill, you ought to take a look, search for him. He might be on YouTube, I haven't looked, but he was somebody that I just really admired. What a great guy, what a great show. But people they always say, you're the hardest working guy on YouTube. Chuck, you work harder than anybody in the world. But they really should compare me to Roy Underhill. That guy works 10 times harder than me and was actually a little older than me as well. But really amazing show. Anyways, group live help, Saturday morning, 9 a.m., March 27th. Read that description box below. Click the link about 15 minutes prior, and we'll get you into the chat, and I can answer all your questions, help you with project planning, materials, how to design the system, everything you need, from French drains to gutters, channel drains, everything. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.